Here is how we can see the Google saved passwords on the iPhone. Let me explain it and show you all that you need to know about it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, on the iPhone, we have the built-in passwords manager app, which is called just the passwords. You can get inside and scan your face, and if you have any Google service, a sign-in saved in here, you're going to tap on all, and it's probably going to be in here, so you can check it out. For example, you can see I have the Gmail account right here, and that's how I can browse the passwords. However, if you have your password saved in a Google Passwords Manager, for this, we would kind of need to look it up inside of the App Store, but as you can see, we don't have any Google Passwords app available. There is no such thing, so we have to use the Google Chrome. So just open up the Google Chrome web browser on your iPhone, get inside a page like this, and tap on the three dots in the bottom right. From the available menus, just find the settings right here, and just make sure you are signed in with the proper account, because your passwords are attached to one Google account. So you can see that I'm using this one right here, but I can tap on it and click on use another one, right? So you can assign into a different one if your passwords are stored in there. But as you can see, part of the settings, we have the passwords manager like that. You can get inside either by scanning your face or code. Perhaps no security is even going to be there. And this is where you can find your passwords. So I can even see some of them which were never saved, and I only got the pop-up to save, right? And I can also click on add a new one and type in the URL, username, and a password. And I can kind of manage this stuff. I can as well click on the settings and delete all of my data, export the data, and do whatever else I need with it. So this is where you can find it. It is pretty useful if you ask me. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about it. I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.